Good morning, everybody. Today is the beach day for the ReliaQuest Bowl, featuring the Michigan and Alabama teams.
Roll Tide.
Yes, Lexi is an Alabama girl, so of course she's rooting for that team. I really am on both sides. I just hope both teams have fun. Let's put it that way. All right, guys, so without further ado, let's go to the beach day. Check this out. We got pie eating contests, we got cheerleader tug of wars, all kinds of stuff coming down right here on Clearwater Beach. Welcome to St. Pete Clearwater, ReliaQuest Bowl 2024. All right, guys, we made it over here to where they are staging everything. It's going to be a pretty fun day here at the ReliaQuest Bowl, presented by St. Pete Clearwater at the Hilton Clearwater Beach Resort. Got the stage all set up over here. The tents amplify Clearwater's out here too, which is cool. Can't wait to be going out here and just experiencing this for our first time, actually. Never done this event before, so we're both going to be learning how everything flows today. Have our official merchandise tent set up over here. Alabama versus Michigan 2024. You guys can check out the prices of everything. The event tees are about 40, event LS 50. They got novelties, they got blankets, they got big chains, coins, koozies, all kinds of stuff here. And they're all getting set up right now.
Okay, yeah, you're good. First Alabama shirt in years. Roll Tide, roll.
This is actually the VIP area. We were informed that we are not allowed to go in here, but that's all right. This is going to be completely covered with people. Got our friends booth here at Amplify Clearwater.
Check, check. All right.
Check 1 2.
Check. Test 1 2. All right. Hopefully it's still early. Maybe y'all were out partying last night. We'll try that again in a few. I got you. My name is DJ Poppy. I'm the host for today. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the ReliaQuest Bowl Clearwater Beach Day 2024, presented by Visit St. Pete Clearwater. So welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, it's looking beautiful. I hope the weather stays like this because it's looking beautiful out here for today. I do want to read something really quick to let y'all know that Amplify Clearwater is giving away 2 round-trip tickets on Allegiant Airlines at their tent. That's the Amplify Clearwater tent. And all you have to do to enter is follow them on Facebook or Instagram. Make some noise for the revival, ladies and gentlemen. I need some more energy today. Let's go. Let's get this thing going. Woo.
Hello, ReliaQuest Bowl. When you want it, that's the way you need it. Any way you want it. Oh, every night.
A lot of people showed up today. It's so cool to see. The team's just arrived. We got Michigan going into the Hilton right now. All the buses are starting to pull up here in Clearwater Beach.
Michigan fans at? Oh. Alabama, you may have to tighten up a little bit. Maybe y'all were partying too hard last night. I'm going to try it again. Where are my Alabama fans at? Oh, I see the cheerleader. I see her. Where's my Michigan fans at? I like it. I like it. I like it. Michigan, I see y'all. I don't care if it's Alabama or Michigan. I got a group of like, let's see, 6 here. Where's my loudest group at?
Go Blue!
Where we at? Where we at? Is that just her? I'm like, whoa! I hear you big time. You definitely get a B right here. Who else I got? Who else I got? Come on, Alabama, Michigan, where y'all at?
Go Blue, baby!
Where y'all at? Big Blue, Roll Tide, where y'all at?
Go Blue!
Of course. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Over there, for sure. That's you in the black, right? Yes, that's you. I hear you.
Cheer team just showed up. This one right
They're never gonna be the same. I'll make a lot of noise. I didn't know that I'm Broadway. I always step in. Let me go, play!
Continually calling for rain delays right now, right here on Clearwater Beach. Behind me, you guys can see it coming in. Not pretty, but still fun. Michigan cheer is still out on the beach right now, jamming away to Revival on the stage. We're going to continue our coverage here on Paradise and Palace. Michigan cheer out on the beach right now. Love to the Alabama flag. Most of these guys out here are for Michigan, but we got guys out here for Alabama. All right. Woo. They are getting ready now to come in. Marching band is here, and we are ready to have some fun right here on Clearwater Beach. Let's go. All right, here we go.
He said baddest band in the land? Is that what he said? He said baddest man in the land. I hear him. Y'all hear him? Y'all hear him? I like this dude. I like this dude. I love his energy. Let's go. Michigan Wolverines. Oh. They come out tough. They do business. Michigan fans, what about that?
What's it all about? It's all about blue, baby, yeah, boy. 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 It's all about blue, baby, yeah.
Okay.
Five, six, seven, we're the champions of the West. The leaders and the best. We're maize and blue, we're maize and blue. We got it going on. We're going to the beach. We're going to see. It's right. It's us. We go blue.
Hey. One more time, Michigan fans, make some noise! I see y'all. I see y'all. Alabama 3, Michigan 7-5, I believe. Is that correct? All right. I like it.
Can I get a selfie with you guys?
Little something we're dealing with right now.
Yes, Ava! That was amazing, Ava! Go blue! Go blue!
Thank you, sir. Yep. Thank you. Problem. Thank you. Great job today, guys.
Thank you.
Yep.
It's hard on this thing. Those guys were awesome.
Be eligible that we want to, have a great game for as well, and then of course win number 10 on the year. But I want to also thank Mayor, everyone tied into the City of Tampa area, Clearwater, and of course ReliaQuest for making this such a great event. The hospitality, we felt welcome since we got here. A couple weeks ago I came down and we had a similar event, just kind of getting this thing kicked off, and just been a great trip down here. The activities, the events, we felt very welcomed, and our guys have been enjoying their time. Practices have been great, just all the arrangements that surround everything that we're doing, we've enjoyed it. So Looking forward to, again, a great game on Tuesday against a very good Michigan program, and a lot of respect for everyone tied in there, including Coach Moore. Known him for quite a while. So let's go get this, all right? I need all the Crimson cheer loud on Tuesday. Roll Tide!
Coach, thank you. Thank you for coming. Remember, it's roll tide, not a high tide. Right? Roll tide. We've got plenty of dolphins out here in the water. I don't see any out there right now, but if you're out here on the beach long enough, you'll see them. So we put a Alabama Crimson Tide jersey on one of them here for Coach. And so, Coach, just a little token of our appreciation, your participation in the ReliaQuest Bowl, and thank you again for coming here today and bringing your beautiful family to join us.
So we are getting ready for the pie eating contest. Unfortunately, the teams are not going to be doing this, but they got some volunteers from the beach that are here watching the show just to have something to do with this contest. So without further ado, I'm going to turn this camera around and join the pie eating contest. I'm not joining it, but I'll film everybody else.
On my count of 3. Wait, put them down, put them down. Don't touch. A minute and a half. Do we have a timer? Miss Aaron's got the timer. On the count of 3. Full crust everything. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Hello. Hold on. Let me get my camera out here. Pie eating contest, let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for these people right here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Eat that pie. Oh, he slowed down. Come on. Come on, girl, let's go. Oh, man. Is that water or are you crying? Let's go. Come on, y'all. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are you bowing out? Nope. Let's see, what do we got? Uh-oh. Come on. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Give me a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. This can't be a tie. Let me see what you got. That's it? Oh, wow. All right. I think we have a winner. Ladies and gentlemen, after final conclusion on the play, Mr. Brian is the winner! Make some noise for all of our pie.
All right, everyone, that does it for the ReliaQuest Bowl Beach Day here on Clearwater Beach. It was a pretty phenomenal day, except for a little weather delays.
And my Bama didn't show up yet. It's fine. I got to see the coach, which was freaking awesome, so roll tide.
And I do want to thank the event for letting me be media, even though I did not have media credentials. Power of having this channel is to give you guys the most exclusive content we can. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being out here. And we look forward to another event right here, Paradise in Pinellas. We'll see you guys next time. Heading through Hilton right now, and we notice this beautiful sand sculpture. It's Spider-Man.
Hey, how's it going, guys?
What's going on, Spider-Man?
He's like, what?
You just chilling, charging your phone?
Yeah, I'm trying to charge it.
Walk into our car right now. Bonus footage. We ended up catching up with Spider-Man. The Spider, S-P-I-D-E-R, man. So cool. Gonna link him up in the description below.
Follow my Instagram.
Follow him on Instagram. Super cool. I thought I saw him out here the other day. Lex thought I was crazy. But here's the picture to show you guys that I'm not that crazy.